Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create rules for your Discord server using the desktop app. Server rules help establish clear guidelines for members and create a safe and organized community. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Discord on your computer. Once Discord opens, select the server where you want to create rules. A common practice is to place server rules in a dedicated channel so that all members can easily find and read them. To create a rules channel, click the plus icon next to text channels. Enter a name such as rules or server rules and click Create Channel. Next, open the newly created rules channel. Click inside the message box and begin typing your server rules. You can create rules based on the needs of your community. For example, Rule 1, be respectful to all members. Rule 2, no harassment, bullying, or hate speech. Rule 3, no spamming messages, emojis, or mentions. Rule 4, keep discussions in the appropriate channels. Rule 5, do not share inappropriate or NSFW content. Rule 6, follow Discord's community guidelines and terms of service. Rule 7, listen to moderators and administrators. You can format your rules using headings, numbered lists, or bold text to make them easier to read. After you have finished writing the rules, send the message to the channel. If you want to prevent members from chatting in the rules channel, click the channel's settings icon. Click Permissions from the left-hand panel. On the Permissions page, click Advanced Permissions. This will open a detailed list of permissions for the channel. Scroll down until you reach the Text Channel Permissions section. Under Text Channel Permissions, look for Send Messages. Next to Send Messages, click the X icon to deny this permission. This prevents members from sending messages in the rules channel while still allowing them to view the rules. After selecting the X icon, a notification will appear indicating that you have unsaved changes. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the window to apply the new permission settings. This allows members to read the rules while preventing them from posting messages in the channel. You may also choose to pin the rules message by hovering over it, clicking the three dots, and selecting Pin Message. This makes the rules easy to access at any time. Remember to review and update your server rules as your community grows and your needs change. And that is how to create rules for a Discord server. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.